how you can turn off your Meta AI on Instagram. So first thing first, let's open the Instagram. And once you open it, make sure you are in the search bar and you need to search for the Meta AI in search bar. So once you search it, you simply need to open the Meta AI profile page. And finally, you can see there is two options, following and message. So just tap on message, and once you tap on message, finally you'll be able to see there is I button or I option at the top right corner of this Meta AI message section. So just tap on that I icon, and once you tap on it, simply tap on mute. And you can see there is two options in here, so hide message previews and mute messages. So you can simply enable both of it. Make sure to make it until I change it. So select the last one, and you can see the second option, you enable this one as well. And yeah, you will be able to turn off your Meta AI on Instagram successfully. So yeah, basically this is how and this is the process to turn off your Meta AI on Instagram. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.